I get asked this question a lot. They ask me like, what exercise routine can they do to reduce the fat in the belly area? Or what exercise can they actually do, a workout routine for the abdominal part to target the fat in that area? And the first thing is that you cannot really target the fat in any part of the body. You cannot just tell the body that you want to lose fat in there, because that's not the point of the body. The body main point is to keep you in homeostasis, so you really don't die. Even if you're trying to die, it will not let you. So in order for you to force the body to burn fat in a specific area, it won't work. So yes, the workout will help in driving thermogenesis to that area by bringing in more blood, because you're recruiting the muscle and activating more the muscle there. Specifically if you got a lot of fat in a specific areas, because you are not getting a lot of blood supply there, right? So by doing the exercises, you're gonna be activating those muscles more, so you're gonna be getting more blood in there, allowing it to get more stimulation to burn some fat in there. But a lot of other things gotta be in place. So the first thing for you to reduce the fat in that area will be to be in a caloric deficit. Now there are many ways for you to get a caloric deficit, which I'm gonna make a video series on explaining you what you could do, but that's not the point of this conversation. And the second one that you want to do is make your body more efficient at mobilizing fat. Now like I said, to create a caloric deficit, there are a lot of other things that you could do. And to make your body more efficient at mobilizing body fat, then that means that you gotta be eating or following a specific protocol that will create that. So your diet gotta be dialed in. You really gotta be dialing in your diet, which is the main thing here, which people wanna bypass. There's no bypass on that. That's the main point that you gotta get in control. Now once those things are in place, then the ab routine that I do will help you increase your definition, your muscle size. Because remember, just exercising the abs will not spot it to get it more leaner. In essence, when you exercise a muscle, you will get it to grow thicker and bigger. So by definition, if you're already fat, you're just gonna make your belly more harder than fatter appearance. It will not just gonna reduce the fat in your abdominal area. But once you got the same things, once you got those things in place, like I just explained, then you can start focusing on my ab routine. Now what I like to do the leg raise first, which activate my upper abs and my lower abs, because most of the people carry that fat in the lower belly, specifically as you are aging. So that's gonna help you activate those muscles. And then I also like to do the ab wheeler, because it activates my whole abdominal area, my whole abdominal muscle, creating more contraction in there, getting a more definition. You see how I do it from standing up all the way to flat, and back to back, a couple of sets of that. Then another thing that I like is the side to side, and a lot of people be sleeping in the side to side. If you're following my live workout where you see me do side to side every day of the week that I'm there, I perform over 300 side to side from twice a day. So again, my side to side allows for the skin to bring in. It's gonna get the skin tighter, as well as work with my obliques. And the main point of this, as you losing weight, your skin gonna be looser, you're gonna be flatter. So the side to side, make sure your skin get tight and tighter, coming in more to you getting more tighter in your abdominal area, helping you not to have that extra skin as you lose weight. Now another thing that I like to do is the dragonfly, which is a hard exercise for most people to do. But if you start at it now, in time you'll be able to do it straight. Like few people individually could actually do that. The dragonfly, I like it because I activate also all my abdominal muscle, alongside my core muscle and my diaphragm, which allow me to get more air inside my system and hold it there. And at the same time, I like for my posture and help me out with those overhead lifts, so I could keep my back straight. Now that is the workout for my abs that I do, and I do it like 2-3 times a week, because I want to again drive in more thermogenesis to that area. So follow for more content and tips, and if you're ready to transform, make sure you hit me up. Power noodles only the other way.